Welcome to Meantime.
Yo, Pudgy, you're finally verified. Go ahead and Owa, let it out. TikTok wants an Owa, say thank you. Oh! Let me get that back. Let me get that back. Pudgy! Shouts out to Wendy's for hooking us up with some burgers. Pudgy, you want some burgers? You want some burgers? Look at the fit. Spot me, bro. You need help? It's your bossing. Hey, Pudgy, let me get an Owa. Hey, no. Ow! Ow! Let me get an Owa. Thank you. Pudge, let me get an Owa. Yes, sir, ski. Give me a kiss. Whoa! Stop! Come on, Pudgy, you have to put on your outfit. We're on a tight schedule. It's not time for you to be drinking water. You need to put this outfit on now. You need to stop it, Pudgy. You're causing me a lot of stress. Pudgy. How does my mom make this look so easy? So rude, Pudgy. It's actually insane. Stop, bro. Stop. There we go. I'm not even doing your back legs. That's good enough. You look cute. Can I get an out? How'd you sleep last night? But you got 5 seconds to let me know what you just did. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm just stopping by. Can I get an Owa? Thank you. Hey, you're nice. Calm down. Got eye boogies. Hey, ow! Let's ask Bossman how he slept last night. Yo, Pudgy, how'd you sleep, bro? Meow, owa. Olive. Hey, baby. Hey, pumpkin. Cheddar nuts. Okay, so I see a lot of people saying, is Pudgy okay? I seen him get attacked on live. Firstly, he did not get attacked on live. He almost got attacked on live. Here's a clip.
Pudgy, you done? Oh my God, bro. Marsh. Holy shit. Bring Pudgy inside, bro.
So what happened is, my brother's dog is not used to, Pudgy is not used to just any dog. Like, yeah, they haven't met. That's my brother's dog, Marshall, and Marshall's a great dog. It's just he hasn't met Pudgy yet. Marshall probably thought Pudgy was a squirrel, or a bird, and I just saved Pudgy, basically, and it was scary, but Pudgy is 100% good. Right, Pudgy? Yeah, he's good. Usually I would just give y'all a speech, but I think it's only fair and, right if y'all hear from the boss man himself. Hey! Just give your speech. Just give your speech. Give it. Let go. In nature? Okay. Barking normal. Can I get an Owa? Owa. You giving cheddar nuts a massage, Pudgy? You being a Krabby Patty? Being a Krabby Patty? It's your food. Big red box from Wendy's. Let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, we got a letter. It says, "Hi Maliki plus Pudgy. We noticed you two were fans and we're honestly pretty psyched. We've been saying Owa Owa for a while and wanted to send something new for Pudgy to chew on. Some swag for you two to sport and some gift cards for y'all to eat some burgers together. New vibe unlocked. Fresh never frozen swag. Your friends at Wendy's." Pudgy, look at this, man. Look at this, man. Got the fresh bandana for you. Some socks for me. Custom tennis ball for you. Come on. 2 $5 gift cards. Okay. Better get a 4 for 4. And then we got some custom gear. So, baby, shut up. Thank you. Wendy's. We love you. Try to pick him up.
Oh, hey. That nigga can't even turn his head.
You like that clutch? Pudgy, it's too early for you to be making a mess like this. Shit bussin'. 100% pure beef. Eating all these burgers, huh? Can I get an Owa Owa for Wendy's? He's smacking it, Smack. What's up, pimp? Okay. Someone text me. Oh, that's this a lot. He is 1100. Pudgy, got some merch for you. We got some merch for you. We gotta put the new merch on him. I gotta try to get this old merch off of him. Pudgy. Alright, stop. You can do that shit, Mom.
Alright. If you stop trying to bite it.
Woo-wee! Look at that. Let me see that exclamation point. Let me see that exclamation. Ow! Shouts out to the homie for the customs. Tag down below.
Welcome to Meantime.